Hey there everybody, just wanted to show off this cool new electronics organizer that I got. Pretty nice design. You can see about how big it is compared to my hand, just since I know I don't have a ruler out on the table or anything like that. Very minimalistic, canvas-y material here. I don't know what it's actually made out of, but polyester, canvas, something like that. Opens up, as you can see, pretty easily. It's got dual zippers on both sides. So it folds out into, I'm going to set the phone for a second. There we go. This side has pockets with loops for cables. Work really well. I could tuck the ends of the cables down in here so they didn't get damaged. This little zippered pocket held Alana's ring light, or it could hold any number of batteries or other types of things. Smart pocket's good for cables here. One big one, two smaller ones. Some memory card slots, SIM card, TF card, SD card is what it says, but of course you could use that for anything you wanted. And then here on the other side, some bigger pouches. These would be good for laptop accessories like a mouse, maybe an Apple Pencil. They'd be good for writing utensils and that kind of stuff, non-electronic stuff. And then one big padded pocket back here that would be good for an iPad mini, actually, if you had one, or another type of tablet, small tablet at least. Or it could be good for, again, larger cables like a laptop charger. So really nice little electronics organizer from Dot & Dot. Check out the link in the description for purchasing information, and I'll have another video up soon.